What you could do?
I can walk across and I can spray him around and you can nap.
Don't get killed with it.
I'm about to get this nigga real quick.
Wait, what the hell, Lord?
Said, it's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall.
Bro, you okay?
I just sneezed on you?
Yeah, bro, for what?
You serious?
Yes, what's the deal, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, a little sick, bro. A little sick, bro.
No.
I swear to you.
COVID, though.
I think it might be, bro. Bruh. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tristan. I'm back again with the next video today. You feel me? Today I got my boy
DJAY, y'all know I go your boy DJAY.
You feel
Subscribe to
me?
my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram.
You feel me?
Below.
Yes, sir. So today we about to be sneezing on people in public.
Something like
You ready for that, bro?
yeah, what you mean?
Oh, nigga, you can't be doing that. Right, so I looking right now. I'm trying to see if anybody looking at me.
I know how the boss man name is dangerous, you know. But guess what? Hey, bro. Yeah. See the man. See the man. That's right, yeah. Just the one ball minus the spray and the price. Just the one ball on your dime. Trust me. Let me see what I got. Check this over there. Hey, good thing the girls them no sneezes. Guess what? Hey, guys. I don't mind people getting off, guys. I paid. Hey, just 150 right there for the day, guys. How much days get paid in, yo? How much days get paid again, yo? Alright then. Guess what? Hey, listen to me, guys.
Alright.
Snap that.
Talk.
I can show him to many ground right now over the 5 years when I yourself doing this. I show that.
Boy, if you don't.
Anybody sitting here, bro? Anybody sitting here? All right, cool. The fruits. The fruits. Huh? What happened? I spraying that?
Yeah.
For real?
What you could do?
I can walk across and I can spray him right and nap.
Don't get killed.
No salt.
Wait, he ain't turn. He ain't turn. He ain't turn. Do it again. Now keep going.
I spray him?
Do it again. But don't get knocked out, bro. I'm helping you.
What's this? So I'm inside the store looking around right now. They're trying to see what they want. I'm about to get this nigga real quick.
Wait, what the hell, Lord? What?
What's going on, bro?
What, you sneeze on me, bro?
No, bro. That's a mustard. I sneeze on you, bro.
What was that?
Huh?
Wait, you sneeze on me, boy. What happened, Lord?
Nothing off, bro. What's going on?
So you can't be doing that shit, though.
Alright, y'all. I had my little daily coffee shop, you feel me?
I have to buy that?
But, so I got a part 2 coming out for y'all. If If y'all get this video to 500 views, and I bring out the part 2, the mall is dry right now, you feel me? Ain't a lot of people inside the mall, it's empty. I ain't talking about the mall empty. So, what we could do is, if you get this video 500 views, we do a part 2, someplace else in the Bahamas. Easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. That's good.
Big dancer, movie. Y'all follow your boy on TikTok. Y'all know how it goes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.